Hello and welcome to another week PreAlgebra. So for this week, we're looking and continuing our work with evaluating expressions where we're plugging in numbers for our variables. I have a couple of videos here to help continue that explanation with another quiz. If you haven't done or struggled on the previous week's quiz, that is absolutely still there for you to complete and do and try. Once you look at this week's work, hopefully that will make some more sense so you can complete last week's as well as this week's. If you have any questions or concerns, if this doesn't make sense, that's what I'm here for. Send me an email. We'll coordinate a Google Meet, be able to help you out. I'll be able to explain a few things before Wednesday comes around. And during Wednesday, during our live synchronous session, we'll be able to answer some questions specifically about what we're doing to be able to help you out and move forward. Don't forget, as a part of that, we have our discussion where you're just explaining something that you know that has made sense. It could be as simple or as complicated as you like. You'll get all 10 points by making that post. And then our extra credit question and answer. So any questions that you have and you post into the extra credit does give you extra credit. And any answers you post to help out other people does give you extra credit as well. So take advantage of all the tools that we have going on for this week. I look forward to seeing you guys later this week. Take care.